Rainbow of Sound Music Academy kepada Hakashnong Maubri Ribhoi District, a music school kepada Jupelong, Shisian Shitiau Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri. Hakasngi sajan nyadu Shpaubaje Main Step, hadu Saubaje Janmir. Kepada yang sumpai pi barok ki kena ki menadu nyau senam seneng, ki samla, ya piru barok kilong kemilong kepa ki bakwa banyo yang jingi kai jingnang syapang ke music. Hakane ke music school don shibut ki jingi kai kum ki gitar, keyboard, duitara, ke bom, ke sing, ke drum, Indian vocal, western vocal, but Khasi vocal. Kane ke music school ke Jupanya ki street performance bagi konsert aman lau senam kum kedak ajing seluruh ki kena ki bawan pulih hakane ke music school ti parlok baro wan nomor selam wan ban syem ni ke admission hakane music school.
Ka Inter-House Sports Meet Jong ke St. John Secondary School Jyntru ka baar sngi ka bala sedang nadu ka khat ar bat ka khat lai terik ubnai liber ar hajar ar posan minta ka sngi ka la poino sya ka bakut hapring ka jing shang shit da ka jing yeshim benta Jong ki khna school ha ka jing le kai ba pher ha ka sngi Pynkut ya ka ni ka Inter-House Sports Meet la sakhi lang dau SDSEO bat BMC ka Umling Block 1 sar PP Yadav ubalong kum ukongsan haringkat ke jinga donlang I brother Bipin Dhanwar kum usambut kongsan lembat I principal Jong Kanega School I Madam Veronica Santi Vajri I balong kum kanong paniyat ya kanega program lembat kinong hikay Jong Kanega Shlem ay jing hikay. Haba ay jingkren na kalyang Jong ukongsan ulamat pang hakibabuan ki benta ban ay mensiem ki kena school bakiday banlong ki basmat kamtam haki sports bat ki way bat kiday banlong ki batresh tom knang ban poisha ka jingjob. Please come forward. We move on. We move on to the second last. That is the runners-up in this Inter-House 2025 is Yellow Horse. So here we have the boys and girls receiving the best trophy in this Inter-House School Sports Meet 2025. Congratulations to the Yellow House. Thank you very much, sir. Under 16 years category, boy, Nathaniel from Yellow House, please, is Robert. The girls category, under 18. Under 18. Let's
a big hand to the boys. The greenhouse are back the gold medals in this mixed relay race 4 into 400. Blue house, come on. Congratulations to you boys. Greenhouse, blue house and girls as well. The blue house are back the silver medals. The greenhouse are back the gold medals. And up next, cheer up for your friends. Congratulations to you, yellow house. Up next, we have the mixed relay race 4 into 100.
Respected head mistress of this school, being the chairperson of this annual sports meet, respected brother, respected all the teachers, and a special thanks you can say our respected drill masters. I think sir is there, two of them. Very nice training you have given to the student. Very nice. I think more than 500 annual meet sports means opening and closing I have attended. But like this drill, really most beautiful. And a student also have done the well job. So today we are at the last event, closing ceremony here. A student along with the teachers might be tired since yesterday. So particularly for the student, I want to tell you, any sports meet or any event organized by the school concerned will give you something for your future. Annual sports meet, we are going to close now. Have you enjoyed all students? Very slow sound means you are tired, but body language as you have performed the mass drill just now, showing that you really enjoy with this annual sports meet. Have you learned something with this sports meet? Anyone can say that what you have learned? Any annual sports meet or sports meet give you discipline. How to behave with others. Here 4 groups are there: yellow, blue, red and green. Then what you have done here for your group, you have fixed the dream that more and more award come to my group, and you try your level best to achieve the goal, to come as a best team, best group in your inter-school sports meet. Similarly, in life, you have to fix the target, make one dream that in future I will go up to this level, and for achieving your goal you have to follow up, try up to achieve the goal, and then you can become a good citizen for our Meghalaya and for our country as well. So through discipline everything depends. Discipline, targeting means dreaming, and then you have to perform your duty thereof. Duty means suppose teacher is giving tasks always you be the obedient of the teachers. That is called disciplined student. And this discipline come through the sports meet. How? Because discipline teach you here how to mix with the other student and what is to be done with the younger, with the